In this video, I'll introduce how to design the stair stickers. Click here to start design. You can click here directly to add your image, or you can use the images in our library. Select an image and resize and position it until you are satisfied. This notice will appear if the image pixel is too low to zoom in. The rest of the sticker can be designed with a choice of different patterns. There is another design method. Also select a picture and adjust it. Use this button and click Other. Your design can be applied directly to the corresponding position. On success, you get a sequential design. You can also click here to add text. Enter your text, select the font and color to adjust. Once customization is complete, you can click to save or click Add to Cart button. Select the quantity and confirm to successfully add to cart. That's all about today's video. Let's go to design yours now.